Sun-dried tomato spread. Delicious! If you can get sun-dried tomatoes that are not totally dry, but just very dehydrated and soft, you can use these, or you can use the ones that come in a jar with olive oil. We're gonna take a half a cup of sun-dried tomatoes and 2 cups of Greek yogurt, a rosemary sprig, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This is gonna create a delicious spread. If we wanna make it 4 dressings, then we add regular yogurt. That's it. A pinch of salt and pepper, and we are done. Remember, with Chef Pachi, eating delicious foods is all about the ingredients you use and the hacks that I teach you to make it fast and flowing in your kitchen. Chef Pachi, delicious diets are sustainable diets. Enjoy!